Keeping quality, innovation, and research in mind, the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020 approved the National Education Policy 2020. The police aims to transform India's education system by 2040 by enacting numerous changes in India's education policy. Full stop. Para. It aims to increase state expenditure on education from around 4% to 6% of the GDP. Full stop. Some of the primary features of the policy are the medium of instruction until class 5 and preferably beyond should be in regional languages. The 10 plus 2 structure will be replaced with a 5-3-3-4 model in the four stages: the foundational stage, the preparatory stage, the middle stage, and the secondary stage. Full stop. Instead of exams being held every academic year, school students will only answer three exams in classes 3, 5, and 8. Coding will be introduced from 6 and experiential learning will be adopted. Para. For higher education, it proposes a multidisciplinary bachelor's degree in an undergraduate program with multiple exit options. Full stop. It also proposes to discontinue MPhil courses. Full stop. Moreover, it puts forward many policy changes when it comes to teachers, like, to become a teacher, a 4-year bachelor of education will be the minimum requirement needed by 2030. Full stop. Para. The previous national education policy was framed in 1986 and modified in 1992. Full stop. More than 3 decades have passed since that policy was brought. Full stop. That is why a new education policy is needed to gear us up with the requirements of today's time, and this NEP 2020 serves that purpose. Full stop.